Hey friends, welcome to Finlyn Media. We are getting lots of questions in 2020 about a rumor that's floating around that the planet Jupiter and Saturn will appear as one star around the time of their great conjunction on December 21st. Many of them say it as the Christmas star and comparing them to the Star of Bethlehem. It's true that Jupiter is the biggest star-like object in the evening sky now, and Jupiter and Saturn are drawing closer and closer together. On December 21st, they'll be separated by just 0.1 degree and visible from around the globe in the western twilight sky. They'll be very, very close. Before we look into more details about this so-called Christmas star, if you are watching my video for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button for notifications. Let's get on to the video. The short answer here is that Jupiter and Saturn will certainly be exceedingly close and will look unusual. Many will correctly perceive them as two planets. They'll be spectacular to see. But one star? The truth is that no one alive today knows for certain what Jupiter and Saturn will look like on December 21st. That's part because the exact event, these two planets, this close, in this part of the sky, hasn't happened in our lifetimes. And it's also because we as a human family will be scattered across a large globe and across different time zones when we see them. They will appear in the western sky after sunset for all of us. But that said, our exact sky condition will vary. The height of the planets above the horizon will vary, and the planets themselves, always in motion, and will appear at varying distances apart. Plus, our eyesight also varies. A person with poor eyesight might indeed see them as a single star, while a person standing right next to them with a very good eyesight might not. Atmospheric conditions in your area will also play a role. A lot of murk near the horizon will distort your view. However, with all said, for the most part, the experts we asked said, no, Jupiter and Saturn will not appear as a single object to the eye to a person with reasonably good eyesight. Around the time of December 21st conjunction, this simply won't be close enough. This will still be quite a strike sight, but you will need to look fast as both planets will set shortly after sunset, NASA's website says. Those looking to see the star will want to look above the southwestern or western horizon after sunset, experts say. Don't worry if you can't catch it on December 21st. According to Adler Planetarium, the planets can be seen as early as December 16th and 17th. But the real show takes place the evenings of the 20th through the 22nd. Throughout the first half of December 2020, you will be able to see these two planets appearing to draw closer together each night. The planetarium's website reads, the best time to see them is about an hour after your local sunset time. For an example, at Chicago's latitude, look to the southwest to see two close objects fairly low in the sky. The bright one is Jupiter and the dimmer one is Saturn. Though conjunctions happen roughly every 20 years, this one will be particularly close. It will be the first Jupiter-Saturn conjunction since year 2000, but the first time the planets will have been so close since 1623, which is about 397 years ago. It will also be the first time such a close conjunction has been observable since 1226, which is about 794 years ago, according to Earth's sky. Adler Planetarium reports the two will appear to merge briefly during the event, which is called mutual occultation. The last mutual occultation of Saturn by Jupiter was about 8,000 years ago, Planetarium website reads. Still, according to NASA, while the two gas giants may appear close, in reality they are hundreds of millions of miles apart. The event has been dubbed as the Christmas star because some astronomers have theorized the Star of Bethlehem could have been a rare conjunction involving both Jupiter and Saturn. Hope you enjoyed these interesting facts about the so-called Christmas star.